Albiga, so we have a guest from Manila. We're going to Langon Gumbingan Cave for one day. Here in the municipal to get the permit. In municipal tourism office. Okay, welcome.
Ay, ito na yun.
Jump off point.
Ganda pala.
Ito na tayo. Opening Gumbingan. Okay. Ang kuro-kuro. Nice. Okay, dahan lang. Okay, dito na kami sa main entrance. So mag-orientation kami mamaya doon. Okay, ready? Sige.
Yes, sir.
Oo, okay, caving na tayo. We're caving?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go. Ready. Yeah, we're going now inside. Visit again. Bubiga Cave. Yeah.
Nagbigay. Sir, dito, itong part lang dito. Okay. Ay, sorry.
Wala lang.
Ano muna sa mata?
Tama ba, sir?
Saan po galing yung tubig, sir?
Aray pa. Aray pa. Okay, punta na kami sa stage. See you stage. Okay na. Okay. The stage. Very nice. And Flowston, the stage. Concert ka na, kanta ka na. Oh. Oh, ganda. Like diamonds. Nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, welcome to the football field. Yan ang football field. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Natural pool. The blind fish there. There, the blind fish. Okay. Okay. Gubingog campsite. Football field. So now we're going back. Then we're going now to Langon. Another top. Okay, going now to Langon. Going down to the vertical area. Going to Langon. Very nice. Okay, sige. Wala. O, tingin pa. Smile. 1, 2. Okay. Now, we're now here in Langon. Langon Cave. They're there now. Stalagmite. Nice. Langon. Rest of stalagmite. Very nice. Forest. Forest. Tita Cave. Yan o, malalaking chandelier. Ito na yung Tita Chamber. Tita Chamber yung pangalan namin. Here now the Tita Chamber. The giant chandelier stalactite reaching the floor of the cave. Very nice here. Now we're going out to Mother Ball Chamber to Langon. Okay, let's go. Here now in Langon, Mother Ball Chamber. There's very big. You cannot see the whole chamber. Yeah. Exit there. An exit here. Lando is there. Yeah. Going now to the campsite. That's Ansik. Oh. Okay. No. Bad shit. See? Mini insect. Okay na bad shit. Yeah. Langon. Nice. Yeah. Sige. Go to the campsite. Yeah, nice. We're now at the exit of Langon. So we're gonna eat our lunch first there in the campsite. Langon campsite. After eating our lunch, we're gonna exit. Going to Mapaso Spring. I'm gonna wash up there. And later back to Rochelle. And back to Catbalogan. Yeah. Eating time already 12:18. Nice. Side somewhere there. I'm gonna eat their lunch. Yeah, no, it's beautiful. Greeny. Mas dito, yan. Kabila doon. Okay, sige, kung mo yung isang paa mo, yan. Tapos tayo ka dyan, tawid ka dito. Oh, yan, sige, yan.
Makatayo ba ako?
So, ayan, sige. So, yan, sige. 1, 2. Tawid dito, kabila. Okay. Sige, okay na. Sige, doon na. Relax ka na doon sa may kuhan. Doon tayo magla-lunch. Okay, upo ka na doon. Okay, sige. Okay. Okay. Campsite now. Langon campsite. Time for lunch there. I'm gonna eat our lunch. Now, yeah. Vegetable and chicken. Yeah.
Pineapple.
Yeah. Time. Ngayon Langon.
Saka?
Gonna eat. Sige, kain ka lang. Oh, yan. Mga gulay. Dalawang gulay yan. Yung eggplant at saka yung parang pakbet. Okay. Kunin mo na yung lahat. Ayan.
Mangan.
Sige.
Mangantam. Mangantam.
Yan isang gulay pa. Pakbet. Walang halo yan.
Mangantam.
Mangankam.
Tagatak.
Eating time, gulay, eggplant. Ito may dakpan, eggplant. Kain lang para may energy.
Sarap.
Kain. Sige, kain. Kain tayo ng marami. Para wala na tayong bibit-bitin. Ano, Lando? Gagan ng ating bag.
Para hindi mabigat.
2 time. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Kain.
Mga-
Ito yukan.
Malayo sa
Pinya.
pupuntahan nyo. Mindanao.
Mindanao. Malay-balay.
Malay-balay. Malay-balay? Saan po yun? Hindi, yung target nyo.
Eating pinya. Yeah, very nice. Pinya. Pangaon. Okay, going down. We're going out to Mapaso. Okay, we're overlooking Calbiga. You see Calbiga there, the town of Calbiga. So we're going out to the Mapaso Spring down there to wash up. So now we're now here in Mapaso Spring. So this is the barangay after caving arrive here. Gonna wash up here. Nahinay. Okay, going to Paso Spring. Going to Rochelle Eatery now. Gonna eat our native chicken tinola. My motorbike ride. This time we're here now in Rochelle Eatery. So nag-enjoy ka ba sa caving mo? What can you say?
Solid.
Ha?
Uulitin.
Okay, next time. Pagbalik mo.
Oo,
Yeah, maraming
okay.
cave pa. Oh, thank you for coming.
Thank you din, sir.
Yeah.
Next time, please.
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah. Yeah, good. Bring your friend. Para masaya. So we're eating now native chicken there. Okay.